Hello guys, do you know there's a competitor of ChatGPT and DeepSeek? Well, most of you know about ChatGPT, which can be used to generate text. For example, if you have any question, you can always ask ChatGPT and it's going to give you all the required answer you need. But DeepSeek also came in, which is China made. And right now we have some competitors, which is, for example, we have the QWEN 2.5, and we also have the Minimax AI tool. This one is the 0.1, and we also have the Kimi AI tool K1.5. You can see that's the K1.5. So all these perform the same thing, but I will tell you the fact. I'm using DeepSeek mostly than ChatGPT because DeepSeek can actually perform more than ChatGPT and it's absolutely for free. And again, all these are absolutely for free. You don't need to have, you don't need to actually purchase any license. You don't need any license to be able to use it. You just need to create an account and there you go. For example, let's say I want to ask the following question. Let me ask all five how to cook the famous Nigerian egusi soup. Let's say I'm going to ask how to cook Nigerian egusi soup. I'm going to just click generate. And I'm also going to ask the Minmax AI. Let's try to, and here you can see we can actually generate image, video, or chat. So I'm going to go for chat. And here we can enter our text and then just try to generate. And then I'm going to go to the QWEN, that's the QWEN, and then do the following, and then let's try to see what we're going to get. DeepSeek, we can also do the same. Just hit enter, and then we'll have ChatGPT. We can also do the same and hit enter. You can see that all this, you can see how fast ChatGPT is going, and also DeepSeek. They will be giving you all the, for example, the ingredients you need, and then instruct you step by step how to prepare the food, how to prepare the meal. So you don't actually need to know how to do this. You can just type in, go to ChatGPT or DeepSeek. You can see it's going to generate you the ingredients. Here we go. We can see we also have the ingredients, and then we have the instruction. So, well, let's see, for example, QWEN, still logged in. You can see it's also giving me a detailed information on the ingredients, and then instruction, cook the egusi, add proteins and vegetables, adjust and serve, serving suggestions, and then gives you some tips for success. So this one even goes more compared to like DeepSeek. We just give some tips, and then ChatGPT, which gives you instruction and serving. And okay, now let's go to the other one, the Min-Max. Let me just click close. You can see the Min-Max also gives me some instruction, but here you can see, well, we need to look very close to see all the details. It says combine egusi with palm oil, add meat and stock, season, add leafy green. So, well, it doesn't give me some extra how to serve. But if I go to the Kimi, here you can see we also have a detailed info on how to cook egusi soup. We have the ingredients, instructions, and then serving suggestions. You know, you can actually eat it with pounded yam, eba, semovita, amala, and fufu. So you can see these 5 different tools do the same. So if you are hearing of this tool for the first time, I can actually suggest you go and try it yourself and see what they can actually do. You can see we have the QWEN.ai, we have the Minmax.ai, and also we have the Kimi.ai. They are all AI tools, just like the DeepSeek and ChatGPT. But all this belongs to China. They are all China made, and I can tell you they are very, very fast because I have tried them, and I can see I would prefer to use DeepSeek to ChatGPT because I always get more detailed information from DeepSeek. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, if you find this video very, very interesting and educative, don't forget to like and share my video. You can always follow me to help me grow my channel. Thank you very much for your time, and goodbye.